Hi, this is Munad from Tenet Technetronics. Today I am here to show how to connect Arduino to Yahoo Weather using Python as a middleware. Here I am going to make use of Arduino board, 16x16 LED matrix and an USB cable. In the previous video demo, we have shown how to display the animations in the same LED matrix. Here I am using to display the current weather conditions through some animations created through GLCD font creator. This is my Arduino code. Here I am importing program space library to store the program in the flash. This is my library. These are the hex data to display different weather conditions. The LED matrix can be programmed through data latch, clock pin of shift registers. This is for frame rate. This is the case statements to switch to the different weather conditions. This is to shift data. In the serial monitor, it reads the data which is serially available, say for if it is A, then it will be sunny. If it is B, it is windy. So if the data available is C, then it shows rainy. This is a rough sketch I have drawn. These are some clouds. So it's D, it's cloudy. And E is normal fair with normal cloud and normal sun. This is how. This is my Python code. I am importing PyAPI library, that is Python Weather API. Through this function, you can fetch weather report from Yahoo. This is the function. Here I am fetching the Bangalore weather report. We can change it to whichever places. For example, here I am including New York, Chennai, Bangalore, Mumbai. This is the capital of Australia. And I am printing the Yahoo result. Here I am comparing few conditions codes provided in Yahoo Weather with the fetched data. According to the compared result, the respective animation will be displayed in the 16x16 LED matrix. These are some condition codes like drizzle, smoke, hot, sunny, mostly cloudy, cold, partly cloudy. These conditions codes are available in Yahoo Weather report. You can find it out. This is the terminal. In the code I have enabled the Bangalore. The remaining places I have disabled. I have commented. I have enabled only the Bangalore. This is my terminal. Let us see what's the conditions. It's showing most cloudy, and here you can see the image. It's cloudy. Say for if I enabled New York, saving, again the terminal, closing this function. In the New York it shows it's fair. You can see the same thing in the display. It's showing normal cloud and the normal sun. Say for in Chennai, again I am saving the, I have enabled the Chennai, again I am saving the code, again going to the terminal, again compiling. It shows the partly cloudy. Here you can see the cloudy, partly cloudy. Let's see the conditions in Australia, the capital of Australia, Canberra. Again getting into the terminal. It's also showing mostly cloudy. Here you can see the same image it is displaying. Here you have seen how to fetch Yahoo weather report of different places, and according to it the respective animations will be displayed in the LED matrix. For more information, stay tuned to www.tenetech.com. Thank you.